The portfolio's expansion continues into the entry-level segment with the Nokia 2, a budget model if there ever was one, priced around the $100 mark. What that gets you in Nokia world is a 5-inch 720p display, pretty great at this price point if you ask us. Going by the numbers, it could be the same as the one on the Nokia 3, so thumbs up to Nokia for not digging up a QHD panel, small Q. 540 by 960 px, long forgotten in some distant warehouse. It's covered with Gorilla Glass 3, so there's no complaints about that either. Where things start looking gloomy is the chipset. The Snapdragon 212 is an old dog, a minor upgrade to the 210, neither of which is particularly quick. And that's just us being polite. A single gigabyte of RAM and 8 gigabytes of storage further reinforce the feeling we're looking at a smartwatch spec sheet. Design Nokia 2 is a rather unassuming, but well-built phone. There's a metal frame all around it, and despite the color scheme being called pewter black, the frame is not made of pewter, but is aluminum instead. It feels nicely cold and expensive, that latter enhanced by the non-black pewter color. There's a Nokia logo in the middle of the back cover, a shiny recessed one. A cutout in the panel lets the camera take a peek at the world, its LED flash nearby. The loudspeaker is down in the right corner, a placement we've come to see less often. There's a small pimple that prevents it from being muffled when the phone is lying flat on a hard surface. Pop the cover off, and you'll see an nano SIM slot on either side of the phone. The left one is a simple slide-in type, while the right one is a push to insert, push to eject affair. Nokia 2 battery life. One of the key selling points of the Nokia 2 is battery life. Or rather the prospect of a great battery life drawn by the combination of a 4,100 mAh power pack, humble chipset, and comparatively small screen. Software. The Nokia 2 runs Android 7.1.1 Nougat. Oreo has been promised, a jump straight to V8.1.2. With that, the entry-level Nokia will get a much-needed Android Go performance boost, or at least in theory it should. The Nokia 2 is equipped with an 8MP primary camera on its back with what X of data points is an f/2.6 aperture lens. Nokia doesn't list it in the specs. It's a pretty wide-angle lens too, though again, it's not specified and EXIF doesn't cooperate with the 35mm equivalent. -2.83mm means little without sensor size.